Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be learning how to cut and draft a mermaid pattern with a tail. If there is something you're interested in, keep on watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get on with the tutorial.
So guys, the first thing I'll be going ahead to do is to fold my fabric in two, and then I'm just going to be taking the full length of this skirt part, by which I'll subtract my half length from my full length, and whatever that is, I'll go ahead to add 1 inch for stitching allowance, and I'll just go ahead and take that measurement all the way through. After that, I'll connect all my lines together. From that line, which is going to be my waist line, I'll just be going down by 8 inches for my hip line, and then I'll just connect all the points. The next line that we're going to be creating is from our waist to on top of our knee region, which for me is 21, and I'll just be marking that and connecting it all through. So guys, the next I'm going to do is to add on my body measurement. So for my waist, I'll just be dividing it by 4 and adding 1 inch because this is a stretchy fabric. And I'll just go ahead and do the same thing for everything, divide it by 4 and add 1 inch. So guys, I was able to achieve this mermaid effect by dividing my original waist measurement by 4 and then adding extra 7 inches. Now if you want this to be fuller, you can go ahead to increase the number of inches that you are going to add to it, but for me 7 is okay. So guys, before connecting all the areas together, I'll just be going down by 1 inch and also going up by 1 inch from my knee line region, and I'll go ahead and repeat the same process for my hip line also. This is to avoid that pointy kind of effect and to just make everything look smooth and natural. So guys, I'll just go ahead to connect my waist region to the upper part of my hip region. After that, I'll go ahead to connect the lower part of my hip region to the upper part of my knee region with the help of my ruler. So guys, the last major connection we're going to be doing is to connect from the below the knee region to the end of the dress or skirt. I'll just be going ahead to bridge these gaps between this point with a straight line. I'll just repeat the same process for the hip region. So guys, this is what I have for the front region, and I'll just go ahead to cut this through. Don't forget to add half an inch upward for joining allowance. So guys, after cutting, this is what I have. Let's go ahead to cut the back piece. I would have loved to cut both back pieces together, but because of the fabric I have left, because I'm managing it, I'll be cutting them separately, and I'll just go ahead to place my front piece on the back piece. After lining everything together, this is what I have, and I'm not going out by 8 inches at that tail region there. I'll place my measuring tape and go down by 21 inches, which is going to serve as my knee length area, and I'll just mark that point there. After that, I'll place my tape rule 4 inches lower than my actual full length measurement, and I'll just mark it at that point there. Now I'll just do well to take my new measurement for the back piece, and this is 45. Remember that initially we had 41, so this is 45 plus our new extra inches. The next thing I'll go ahead to do is to add this new measurement all through for the side with the zipper allowance. I'll do well to connect this new line to where the front area ends. Just watch what I'm doing with my hands. From that 21.5 inch that we have for our knee length measurement, I'll just connect it all the way to where the end of this dress is going to be for at the back. After taking all these measurements, I will do well to cut through. At this point, I added my zipper allowance with an inch, and then I'll just go ahead to trim out the excesses and just take it up to my knee region, and after that I'll just connect it and cut it through all the way down. So guys, this is what I have, and I'll just go ahead to recut this back piece for the second back piece. So guys, that will be the end of this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like button, and also comment. Thank you all, and see you in my next one. Bye.